this is Emily coming at you from Current Storage Ford, and today we're looking at the 2017 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a nice backup camera, a little roof spoiler, we got roof rails as well, with mud flaps on the rear. We got black and silver accents on this vehicle, which makes the vehicle color pop. Got some nice heated door mirrors with mud flaps on the front, and moving to the front we do get a black hood deflector, license plate bracket, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, you do get quite a bit of cargo space. You got cargo cubbies, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, got a light and a 12-volt. You do get your storage underneath as well with your spare tire, and of course you can collapse that row if you need additional storage. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray and black cloth interior. Your seats are adjustable. You got carpet interior. You do got rear vents, 150-watt outlet down there. And of course you do get your cup holders and arm space if need be, and plenty of door space in the back. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a manual driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Little storage cubby right there, more storage in the door. You have your liftgate and lights all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 160,125 kilometers. We do get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We have our media such as playback, play forward, phone, volume, voice, cruise control, toggle for your screen, and we do get some paddle shifters. Looking here, we have trip 1, all that jazz. Trip 2, information about the vehicle, settings, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, storage, cup holders, more storage there, our nice little phone slot, USB, 12-volt, and storage. Got your center console with upper, let me see if I can get this, and lower storage, and you got a 12-volt down there as well. Auto stop, auto start, traction. We got our heated seats, dual climate up front, storage below. Got your media, such as a number keypad, CD, tune, volume, all that jazz, radio, media, phone, menu, sound, toggle for your screen, and hazards. And looking here, we do have a system powered by sync, which is pretty handy. And going to our radio, we do get AM, FM, all that jazz. You got media, such as Bluetooth, mobile app. We got our menu. This vehicle does come equipped with Sirius XM as well. Camera settings. There's the Sirius XM as well. Sound, hazards, all that jazz, and switching the vehicle into reverse, we do get that nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is 5407102A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.